As our former late President Abdul Kalam put it, all of us do not have equal talents, but all of us have an equal opportunity to develop our talents. And if we add intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. And as we unveil a university today in front of our friends, mentors, and well wishers, I'd like to reiterate that this is what we aim to achieve: an education that imparts skills, teaches thinking, and helps build character so that each student can positively contribute to the society and to the world. As CP put it, what began 6 years ago as a college of engineering, an institution striving to make a qualitative difference in the way technical education is imparted to students in India, has today culminated in the launch of the university, a university of the future, a multidisciplinary global university. We have been striving to lead from the front through our journey in education. Our unique pedagogy at the Ecole Centrale College of Engineering ensured that we became one of the best and most sought after engineering education options for students. Our tie up with Ecole Centrale France focused on ensuring that our students became global practitioners in engineering. We introduced Flip Education, wherein the emphasis was to engage students through discussions and collaborative thinking and move them away from the bookish knowledge and rote methodology. Today, the University of the Future will have a holistic approach to education and will use technology to revolutionize the way millennials are studying by combining AI and EI. May I expand artificial intelligence and emotional intelligence to optimize learning in each of our schools. Our plan is to grow to an estimated 4,000 plus students, along with around 350 faculty across various schools over the next 5 to 7 years. Besides the Ecole Centrale School of Engineering, we'll be providing for quality education in the School of Management, School of Law, School of Design, School of Media and Liberal Arts, and the Indira Mahindra School of Education over the next 2 to 4 years. What will make us stand out? What will make us stand out amongst this huge number of universities in India? We shall focus on special elements transversal to all undergraduate degrees, irrespective of the major, such as creating an entrepreneurial mindset, EI and leadership, communication, creativity, critical thinking, digital humanities, as well as enabling AI, data science, and inference in all students, with the sole focus being that programs on offer shall be interdisciplinary, shall be contemporary, as well as those with specific synergies between majors. An educational organization is only as good as its educationists. To help us grow, we have enlisted the help of a talented faculty pool, all of whom have doctoral degrees from the IITs, IISc, and leading overseas campuses. In addition, we have international faculty visiting us regularly from our Central friends in France, from the University of Texas at Austin, University of Florida in the US, and the University of California at Davis, and many others. We have established big partnerships. Besides the Central Group in France, we have a tie-up with Babson College, USA, the world's #1 school for entrepreneurship. We have got into a tie-up with the University of Florida in Gainesville. We're looking at tie-ups with Japan, and the list is endless. One of our founding principles is a strong focus on quality research in interdisciplinary fields. We will promote research at an institutional level so that we can focus on actual problem solving and contribute to the rise of a new India. Our unwavering commitment to quality research has made us allocate sizable resources to the activity as well as create well-equipped research infrastructure and modern labs. And when we talk about modern labs, I have to mention the NVIDIA AI Supercomputing Lab, our VLSI Lab, our Automotive Systems and Internal Combustion Engines Lab, the Center for Robotics, and again, so on and so on. We've already set up 3 centers of excellence focusing on AI, focusing on entrepreneurship, because after all, we want to create an entrepreneurial mindset at Mahindra University, and a center for sustainable infrastructure and systems. More and more centers of excellence will be added on as we keep moving on and moving on and on. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Yeats said this way back, and we at the University of the Future will endeavor to always light this fire through critical thinking, focus on innovation, and opening up of our students' horizons. Here's to a new beginning and a new era in education.